What's up, everybody? It's Kyle from Newell Strength and Unlocking Your Inner Strength, back with another patellar tendon rupture video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to wrap the knee. I made a video about this a couple years ago, but it's a frequently asked question that I get. So in the follow-up video, I'm going to show you how to do the passive leg extensions to increase range of motion. But on this, let's say it was my left knee, okay? You take the band. This is a Rogue Fitness band, okay? You're gonna wrap the entire joint. You wanna remember 50-50. 50% extra tension and overlap 50%. So I'm here, I come over the top, so not super tight. 50%, whoops. And that just makes it more annoying if that happens, but that's okay. So I have the whole capsule. I tuck it in, and boom, that's how you wrap the knee, okay? The compression is gonna help kind of pin down the fascia where it should be pinned down, help you increase range of motion. It's gonna get good fluid in there. So when you have an injury, you wanna compress it. When you release it, you get a flow of good nutrients and blood to the area. So that's how you wrap your knee. If you have any questions about patellar tendon ruptures, post them below and I will get to them.